Hello class. This video is going to tell you how to start Google Classroom. Now, first of all, you need to be signed into your college Gmail. So go ahead and do that now. You enter your college account and you will have your inbox. Your inbox will have something called class invitation. Now, I'm doing this with a fake class, so your class invitation will have a different title. But go to your email called class invitation and click the email to open it. Now you'll see that it says Google Classroom, of course, and it will say that your teacher has invited you to the class, so join. Click the join button and you will be logged into Google Classroom. Go ahead and make sure that again your college email account is showing. If your college email account is not showing, click switch account. Then you can log into Google Classroom with your college account and join. Once you have this screen, again, it will show the email. Make sure the correct email is showing and continue. You are now in your well, for me, I'm showing a demonstration class, but you will see our class and you have a stream. There's a stream tab, there's a classwork tab, and there's a people tab. All you need to worry about is the stream and classwork. So you have this first announcement from me, which is hello class, please leave a comment. What you should do here is comment, and I'm only asking you to do this to make sure you know how whenever you have a question for me. So you can leave a comment, teacher, when is the exam? For example, if you have that question, you write that, and you can simply click enter, or you can click the arrow. Now, if anyone wants to know when the exam is, you ask me, and I, as a teacher, will see it. Another very important function is the classwork tab. So look at the top of Classroom, click Classwork, and you will see anytime that I give an assignment, it will be here. You will also get an email in your college email account whenever I post an assignment. So first you have the name of the assignment, and you also have when it is due. I will usually give the day and the time. Make sure, of course, that you turn in everything on time. Let's click it to open it. And now you see my instructions. Click the document below, write your name, and then submit. So I will click it. Now, this is one way that I will give an assignment. It says write your name here. So why don't you just close all of this, write your name. I'm going to write my name. And what you do is turn in. Let's dismiss this announcement. So I've written my name or whatever the teacher has asked to write. And when I click turn in, a new screen will come. Let's see what it says. All right. Make sure that you are ready to hand it in. All right. So we'll follow that instruction. What you do is, if you're sure that you're done, if you've written everything or included everything that I ask, you can just click hand in. Once that happens, you are now done with the assignment, and the teacher will receive it and give it a mark or give you whatever comment. This is the basic way for you to use Google Classroom. There will be other things that I ask you to do, Whenever I do that, I'll be sure to include a new video to make sure that you are able to figure out how to get that done. But for now, I think you know everything for this week. And remember, if you ever have a problem, you can go to the class stream. Whenever you want to ask a question, you add a comment and I will read it so that I can get back to you with whatever you need to know. That's all for now. Bye.